Do you want to turn your video from this to this? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another video. And today I'm going to show you how I set up my lighting for my video so that you can get an idea how you can set up similar kind of lighting, right? So first I want to turn off all the lights here in this room and turn on one by one so that you can understand which light is doing what kind of thing. So now pitch dark room and I haven't light up any lighting. First let's turn on the key light. So first that is what look like if I just use my key light. Here I'm using Godex SL60 2D light and I'm using a 85 centimeter softbox with a C stand. I'm using a C stand because it will give me more flexibility when I place the light. I place the light maybe 40 or 45 degree angle from the camera. So here is the light and it is directing the light from this area. So that is my key light, and the next light that I like to use, that is an edge light. So if I just turn on my edge light, so here you can see the edge light is lighting my backside, and I have placed the light maybe 2 steps behind from myself, and the light model is Ulanzi LT028 40W portable video light, and that is also a COV light, COV light chip on board, and that is very convenient to use if you are making videos because that light doesn't need to get powered every time. You can just charge the light and it will operate maybe 75 minutes in a full charge if you use the full brightness. But here I'm just using 1% brightness and that will give me 4 to 5 hours runtime. So that is a very great light if you are making videos for yourself in this kind of scenario. Now I want to add some practical light. So here you can see there is a computer and behind me there is a shelf. So I want to light up that section using a table lamp, and here I want to turn on my monitor. Well, the light in the shelf is just lighting my background and it is giving a different vibe, and here I have turned on my computer monitor so that it will give an illusion that edge light is coming from that monitor. So that is a practical light and it is motivating this edge light. So whenever you are watching my videos, you will not get confused from where this light is coming from. It will look very natural if you see there is a monitor going on there and it is lighting up my back section. Actually it is not lighting up my back section, it will give that illusion. That is why it is called practical light. 90% of the time I am happy with this lighting, but sometimes I think this section of my video frame is a little bit dark. So sometimes I just use another light to light up this section. If I want to give a different vibe towards my audience, then I can just light up the background using that light, and that is another COV light, and the light model number is Godex SL60. So that's all. That is how I light up my videos. So you don't need to use a whole lot of lights to light up your video. You can just use a single light as your key light, and eventually you can upgrade and add some lights to spice up your backgrounds and different things, right? So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this video, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, want to learn video editing or filmmaking, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.